I believe that Cove tool has some features to it that other tools just can't offer. I recommend it to other architects. I brag about it to my prospects and clients. I haven't found another product like it. Cove tool helps you analyze what it is that you're putting into a building design before the building is built. If you can understand what's going to happen in the future, you can make much wiser decisions about what you're doing today.
Cove tool has benefited me greatly, particularly when used in tandem with Revit. And I found the workflow between Revit and Cove tool to be very, very seamless. And it's really helped a lot with analyzing school projects, how daylight impacts it, how it performs in different scenarios, and whether or not the buildings pass or fail different LEED credits.
So we've developed a technology to make ventilating buildings much more efficient. Buildings consume a lot of energy and produce a lot of carbon. A big part of the energy consumption in buildings is related to heating and cooling, HVAC systems, and we directly address that by cleaning indoor air so buildings don't need as much outdoor air, and this improves ventilation efficiency, lowers building emissions, makes them much more energy efficient, helps with electrification as well. So our technology is directly addressing the biggest load, the biggest carbon component of a building's operational energy use. So we're super excited about our partnership with Cove tool and using their platform and their new load calculating engine to help the market learn more about our technology and leverage the platform to drive awareness and sell more of our own technology.
It's been really great to hear about the different implementations, especially when it comes to sustainability, and how we're able to integrate that as another layer of analysis that we're doing into these products. So we're talking about the sustainable aspects, as well as the cost, as well as the speed, the building times as well. So it's good to have that information readily available and have that conversation be part of our whole building process.
I think I learned even more about the tool, and I've already been presented information about the tool. Seeing like other people have really solid questions about the tool and its features and attributes and what it can do, I think at the end of the day, that's going to provide a lot of feedback in future enhancements or future improvements to the tool.
I want to make sure that people understand that there's technology now that solves problems that we used to think were unsolvable. Especially if you're an architect who's focused on sustainability and green design, who really cares about your carbon footprint and your long-term carbon use, then Cove tool is a revolution.